Here is my workshop. One of my projects for the seeds is going to be these cans over here. I will show you here soon how to make them into plant holders. This is my stereo and my cords. Other future projects right here. There's some more wood. Here's my tools. Here's some dirt. Plants that are already started. Some containers. Another project right there. Here's another project. This is actually a chair with my wife's hand. Some of her stuff is on it right now because I don't have the desk set up for her. These are the seeds we're going to prepare for. And then here are some of the containers that are already somewhat complete. I'm going to show you how to do them.